प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 जे राहिलेले क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते आपण आता बघणार. खूप खूप महत्त्वाचे असे हे क्वेश्चन्स. यापैकी एक एक्झाम्पल एक्झामला हमखास आहे, त्यामुळे काळजीपूर्वक करा आणि लक्ष पण द्या. ओके, नाउ देन टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Solve the following simultaneous equation using the Cramer's rule. Using the Cramer's rule. Now, the question third is x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now, student, for solving the Cramer's rule, we write the equation in standard form, and the standard form is ax plus by is equals to c. Means that take the constant term to this RHS side. Already in this question number 3, this constant term is to this right hand side. So I have to take its solution by giving the numbers of the equation solutions. Now the first equation is x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. It is equation number first. Second one is 2x minus 3y is equals to 12, equation number second. Now here, when we comparing it with the standard form, then a1 is equals to 1, coefficient of x is 1, b1 is equals to 2, and c1 is equals to minus 1 for the first equation. And for second, a2 is equals to 2, coefficient of x, then b2 is equals to minus 3, the sign is minus here, and c2 is equals to how much? 12. Now, then we can find out the value of the determinant d. D is equals to, in absolute value, the rule for the d is that we take a1, a2, b1, b2. Now we substitute the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 from this equation. We get here a1 is 1 and 2, and b1, b2 is 2 minus 3. We know the rules of the solving the determinants. First, always take this cross product, and we have to subtract this cross product, so that the value of determinant d is equals to 1 into minus 3 minus these 2 into these 2. Means that a into d minus b into c. Then the product of it is minus 3, 2 2s are minus 4. Therefore, d is equals to, addition becomes minus 7. This is the value of d. Then we can find out the value of determinant of x. Means that dx is equals to. Now for solving dx, we have to replace a1, a2 by the constant term. Means that c1, c2. So I have to write here c1, c2, b1, b2. Then the cross products of this c1, b2 and b1 and c2. I have to substitute the value of c1, c2 is minus 1, 12, b1 is 2, minus 3. The product of it is minus 1 into minus 3 minus these 2 into 12. Look here, here is minus sign for both these. Minus minus plus, 3 1 the 3. Then this is minus 24. Now the subtraction becomes how much? Dx is equals to minus 24. Gives the sign of the bigger number. Here is minus sign. Then we can find out the value of the determinant of y. Therefore, for the value of determinant of y, we replace b1, b2 by c1, c2, so that the formula is a1, a2, c1, c2. We substitute the values of a1, a2 and c1, c2 we get. The values of a1, a2 is 1 and 2, and c1, c2 is minus 1 and 12. Minus 1 and 12. Then we take its cross products. This is 1 into 12 minus 1 into how much? We take this product here. 1 into 12 is 12. 12 minus plus 2 1 2, means that 2 of y is equals to dy upon d. Then we substitute the values here. What is the value of determinant of x? Is minus 21. So x is equals to minus 21 upon the value of d is minus 7. Minus 7 and variable y is equals to determinant of y is equals to 14 upon value of this becomes minus 7. We can simplify by using this 7. Then 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is. Means that the value of x is equals to, look carefully for the x. Here is numerator is also minus and denominator is also minus. So that minus minus plus. So I have to write here directly plus 3. And the value of y is equals to, here is denominator having minus and use the sign numerator, so that y is equals to how much? Minus 2. Therefore, this value 3 and minus 2 we satisfy both this equation. So it is called as the solution of that simultaneous equation by using the Cramer's rule. So I have to write the answer in full sentence. So answer is equals to x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Student, this is our today's first example. Can you understand this? So simple and very important examples. Then take next question of the question number 3rd. The sub question is 4. 6x minus 4y is equals to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equals to minus 2. Now here is this constant term is already to this RHS sign. So I have to take its solution directly. Solution. The equation is 6x minus 4y is equals to minus 12. Equation number first. Second one is 8x minus 3y is equals to minus 2. This is equation number second. Now student, here when we comparing this into a standard form, we get the value of a1 is equals to 6, b1 is equals to minus 4 and c1 is equals to minus 2. Similarly, the value of a2 is equals to 8, value of b2 is equals to minus 3 and value of c2 is equals to minus 2. Can you understand how to compare it? Okay, then we can find out the value of the determinants d. Therefore, d is equals to the absolute value of a1, a2, b1, b2. We can substitute these values here. Now, what is the value of a1, a2? 6 and 8. 6, 8. Then b1 and b2. Now, look here. Here is the sign is minus 4 and minus 3. Okay, then we find out its products by using the rule AD minus BC. Means that 6 into minus 3 minus 4 into how much? 8. Now the product is 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Then minus plus 4 8 is how much? 32. Okay, then we can subtract this. Therefore, the value of d is equals to 18 minus and this is plus. So we can subtract it, give the sign of the bigger number. So that the subtraction is 14. Bigger number is plus here, 32. So answer is plus 30 plus 14. Then we find out the value of the determinant of x. So that dx is equals to. The rule is that here is replacing a1 a2 by c1 c2. So that here is c1 c2 and b1 b2. Now then the value of c1 c2 is minus 12 minus 2 and b1 b2 is minus 4 minus 3. Then find out the product by using the rule. Therefore, the value of dx is equals to minus 12 into minus 3 minus 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 plus. 12 3 is how much? 36. Now here minus minus plus. Again plus minus is minus. 4 2 is how much? 8. Can you understand this product? Okay. Then determinant of x is equal to, you have to subtract this 8 from this 36. It becomes how much? 28. This having plus sign because bigger number is plus here. Okay, then we can find out the value of the determinant of y. Therefore, determinant of y is equal to. Now the formula for determinant of y is, you have to replace b1 b2 by c1 c2. Therefore, here a1 a2 and here c1 c2. Substitute the values here. Value of a1 a2 here 6 and 8. 6 8. Then c1 c2 is minus 12 and minus 12. Student, can you understand this? Okay. Then by using the rule of determinant, we can find out this value of dy is 6 into minus 2 minus. This one is the minus 12 into how much? 8. Now look here. 6 into minus 2 is how much? 12. Therefore, dy is equals to minus 12. Now, then minus minus plus. 12 8 is plus 96. Okay. Then we can find out its subtraction. Now the subtraction becomes, this one is the 4 and 8 gives the sign of the bigger numbers, means that 84. This is the determinant of y. Then by using Cramer's rule, we can find out the value of x, means that dx upon d, and the value of y is dy upon d. Now the value of dx is 28 upon value of determinant d is equals to 40, and y is equals to value of dy is 84 and value of d is 40. Student, we can simplify by using the 14. Now 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. Then 14 1s are 14, 14 6s are 84. Now स्टुडंट जर याचे जर आपल्याला भाग जर 14 चा टेबल येत नसेल तर आपण 2 ने पण सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकतो किंवा 7 ने पण सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकतो. ओके, दिस इज द आन्सर. x is equals to 2 and y is equals to how much? 6. Now the write the answer in full sentence because this is the solution of the given equation. This x is equal to and y is equal to 6 satisfy the given equation. So the answer, write down in always full sentence, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 6 is the solution of given simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule method. Okay, then we take next question. Okay student, then we see the next question. Of question number 3rd, sub question is find 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 20. Now already the given equations in standard form, so we directly take its solution here. Solution. The first equation is 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, equation number first, and second one is 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. This is equation number 2. Now here a1 is equals to 4, a1 b1 is equals to 6 and c1 is equals to 54. Here a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to 2 and c2 is equals to 20. Then we can find out the value of D, determinant. The formula is A1, A2, B1, B2. We substitute the values of A1, A2 and B1, B2. A1 is 4, 3, then 6 and 2. By using this, we can find out the product of the 4 and 2 minus 6 and 3. Student, the product of 8 is 8 minus 6 3 is how much? 18. Then the subtraction is D is equals to minus 10. This is the value of the determinant D. Then we can find out the value of determinant of x. For finding the value of determinant of x, the rule is that we replace A1, A2 by C1, C2. So here I will write C1, C2 and here is B1 and B2. Then we substitute the values here. C1, C2 is 54, 28. B1, B2 is 6 and 2. Okay. Then the cross product is 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. Okay. Then 54 into 2. Okay. This is 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 5 to the 10. 108. 28 6 are 146. Now I have to take here product also. 6 8 are 48. Carry is 4. 6 to the 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. Sorry, this 28 6 are 168. Not 146. Now we subtract this one. Now the subtraction is 8 minus 8 becomes 0. We write 6 as it is and this is 0. Give the sign of the bigger number, means that minus 60. This is the value of determinant of x. Then we can find out the value of determinant of y is equals to. Now we replace B1, B2 by C1, C2. Then here is A1, A2, here is C1 and C2. Now value of A1 is 4 and A2 is 3. 4 and 3. Then C1 and C2 is 54 and 20. Then we can find out the cross product of this. 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. Therefore, dy is equals to 8 4 the 32 carries 3. 4 to the 8. Okay. We start the last question of the question number 3rd. Sub question is 6. The question is 2x plus 3y is equals to 2 and x minus y by 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Student, here is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Now we can take as it is also, or we have to remove this denominator also. Now I have to take this equation to remove this denominator. How to remove? Look carefully. Now the solution is, the first equation is as it is 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, which is given in standard form. And this second equation, x minus y upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. This is equation number 2nd. Now I have to multiply this equation second by taking LCM as 2. Then we get that. Here I have to write here multiply. Multiply equation second by 2 we get. I have to directly write this equation. When we multiply by this second equation by 2 to each term, we get that 2 into x is 2x cancel mean that minus y is equals to 2 get cancel mean that 1. Suppose that this is equation number 3. Then we solve this equation first and third. Therefore again I have to write here 2x plus 3y is equals to equation number first, and then second one is 2x minus y is equals to 1, equation number third. Now then by using the Cramer's rule, now this is the constant term to this RHS side. Now by using this we can find out the value of a1, b1, c1, so that here a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 3 and c1 is equals to 2. Again by comparing this equation with the standard form, a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 1 and c2 is equals to how much? 1. Then we can find out the value of determinant, means that d. Therefore d is equals to, now the rule for d is a1 a2 b1 b2 is equals to a1 is 2 and a2 is also 2, b1 is 3 and b2 is minus 1. Now then by using the rule of the determinant, d is equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into how much? 2. Now therefore this product is d is equals to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 3 2s are how much? Minus 6. Now then the addition of these 2 is minus 2 and minus 6 becomes minus 8. This is the value of the determinant x. Then we can find out the value of determinant x is equals to, we know the formula for determinant x, we have to replace a1 a2 by c1 c2, so that here I will write c1 c2 b1 b2. Then substitute the values of these c1 and c2. Now here is c1 is 2 and c2 is 1, 2 and 1, and b1 and b2 is 3 and minus 1. Okay, then by cross product, 2 into how much? Minus 1 minus 3 into 1. Then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and this becomes minus 3. Therefore the value of determinant of x is equals to how much? Minus 5. Then we can find out the value of dy. So the formula for dy is, now we replace b1 b2 by c1 c2. So write first in column a1 a2 and here is c1 and c2. Then substitute the values here. The a1 a2 is 2 and a2 is also 2 and c1 and c2 is 2 and 1. We take a cross product. Therefore 2 into 1 minus this 2 into how much? 2. Then the value of dy is equals to 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4. We can subtract. Therefore dy is equals to, subtraction becomes minus 2, gives the sign of the bigger number. Okay, then by using the Cramer's rule, now the rule is that x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. Then we put the value of dx from here minus 5 and the value of d, means the determinant is minus 8 and y is equals to, the value of dy is minus 2 and value of d is minus 8. We can simplify by using this, we get the value of x is equals to, we cannot write this simplification but minus minus convert as plus, so that x is equals to 5 upon 8 and here is y is equals to, this minus minus converted as plus, we have to simplify, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, so that the value of y is 1 upon 4 because minus minus converted as plus. Now these two values of x and y which satisfy this equation. Hence, it is called as the solution of that equation. So, we write this answer in full sentence. Now, answer. X is equals to 5 upon 8 and y is equals to 1 upon 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Students, in this example, if you take this 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 as it is, then the calculation is some little bit different here, but our answer is same. But this is the simple way to remove this denominator. By taking LCM, we get the simple one equation. We use this equation to solve. Now this is the Cramer's rule method. So simple. One example can be asked in our examination. मित्रांनो, आज आपण अभ्यास 1.3 म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 we have to complete it here. Now जर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो जर व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर नक्कीच सबस्क्राइब